Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete YouTube Kids account on your mobile. But before getting started, go ahead and make sure to support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribing and turning on your notification bells. Now let's get started. First, open your YouTube Kids app on your mobile. Now at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the lock icon. Simply tap on it. Now enter the correct answer to the given question. After that, tap on submit. Now that you've done that, go ahead and tap on settings. Now select the YouTube Kids account that you'd like to delete. Go ahead and tap on it. Now enter your password for your email address. After you've done that, tap on next. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the three dotted icon. Simply tap on it. Now tap on delete this profile. Confirm that you want to delete this profile by tapping on delete profile option in blue that appears on the bottom right corner of this pop-up. After that, the YouTube Kids account will be deleted, and this is how you can delete your YouTube Kids account on your mobile. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.